Okay, so let's get started, class, and I have a question for you. If you wrote the longest sentence possible that you could ever write, how long do you think it would be? How many words?
283,000.
283,000. Now, it has to be grammatically correct also. It can't be wrong. 25 words? 100 words. And it be grammatically correct? Do you think you can do that? That's cool. Okay. How many words do you think this is? No, don't count. Micah.
259.
200. You saw it on here. Yes, this is 239 words. And this is one sentence that is completely correct. Do y'all know how to write a sentence that's correct and it be this long?
You can use conjunctions, commas, semicolons.
That is exactly right. And what is a conjunction? Fanboys? Okay, let's say them together.
For,
and,
or,
but, or, yet. So, good job. And tell me again what those words are.
Fanboys.
Fanboys and what are conjunctions? And what do conjunctions do?
They separate the sentence.
Yeah, they join a sentence together, right? Okay, so I need a couple of helpers up here, please. Oh, everyone, yes. Marlene, and yes. Okay. We are going to tackle a challenge together, class. Want to hold one side of it? Okay. I'm going to let you hold the other side.
Can I hold the middle? Can I hold the middle?
Yes, someone can come hold the middle. Okay, and I need one brave soul who thinks that let me finish first, who thinks that they can read this entire sentence strip without pausing like a period. Think you can do it? Come on, I think you can do it.
I know.
It was a spectacular, beautiful day. There was not a cloud in the sky, and the sun was shining. George and Pam went to the park to have a picnic.
Keep going. I got it.
To have a picnic, they had pickles, peanut butter sandwiches, and sparkling water while standing on a red and white blanket. George tossed a frisbee to the dog and waved to the other park goers who passed there. They like little people.
Okay, what is wrong with this sentence? Or what's something else? Instead of conjunctions, what's something else you could do? Could you break it apart and do like different sentences?
Yes.
So what is this sentence called with like just how it is? Yes, a run-on sentence. Have y'all talked about run-on sentences?
We just started it.
Okay, well, so do y'all think we can fix this sentence together?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Zachary, you want to come up and do the first one? We're going to break it into different sentences. We're not going to use conjunctions today because y'all work a lot with that. We're going to break it into smaller sentences today. So to break it into a smaller sentence, what would we have to use? Period and
Semicolon.
well, capital letter. Very simple. Okay, so Zachary's going to do the first one for us. Let's see where we need to stop first. Right here. What do you got left for Zachary?
It was spectacular, beautiful day. It was a spectacularly beautiful day. There was not a cloud in the sky. The sun was shining.
You want to help him out? Where do you think we should stop at first?
Right here.
The sun was shining. So, it was a spectacularly beautiful day. There was not a cloud in the sky, and the sun was shining. Does somebody think that's possibly a run-on sentence? Could we break it down smaller?
Yes.
How do you think we could break it down even smaller?
It was a spectacular, beautiful day.
Period. I think so too. I like that. Because that's a good meaty sentence right there. So it was a spectacularly beautiful day. Period. And capital. So what's the next sentence? You want to do it, Marlene?
There was no clouds in the sky, and the sun was shining.
Yes. Okay, so next sentence.
Then you have to have a comma after and.
Can you help me out? Yes. We're starting at George now.
George and Pam went to the park to have a picnic.
Let's stop it there. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we have, it was a spectacularly beautiful day, period. There was not a cloud in the sky, and the sun was shining. Period. Okay. George and Pam. Wait, you stopped here, didn't you? Okay, so, you want to do this one?
George and Pam went to the park. George and Pam went to the park.
George and Pam went to the park to. Micah, you want to come help us with this one? Stop it there. Okay, well, let's keep looking at it. George and Pam went to the park to have a picnic. They had pickles and peanut butter sandwiches with sparkling water.
Period.
Yes. Okay. After water, Zachary, you ready for another one?
What about Michael? While sitting on a red and white blanket, George tossed a frisbee to the dog and waved to the other park goers who had their delightful little picnic.
So that was a long sentence. Was that, do y'all think that was a good sentence?
Yes, no. No,
Micah, you think we can break it up somewhere else?
there's two ands. I don't think
So you're on a red and white blanket. Period. George tossed a frisbee to the dog and waved to the other park goers who passed their delightful picnic. Good job. Great. Okay, so y'all tackled that. You're very intelligent. Okay, let's put this over here. And now that y'all know how to work with run-on sentences, we're going to have a little relay race. Okay? So we have y'all want to break up into groups of 4?
No.
Or do you want me to break you up?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
It was enough to
do that. This side? Sound good? Okay, let's set our chairs in a line. Let's do 2 different lines, okay? You need to be at the front. Okay, y'all get behind me. Yes, ma'am. Over here. Okay, this is a run-on sentence relay, and I have 8 sentences, so that means that each of you will get to do 2 sentences. And y'all know that in a relay, you pass things back, right? Is that usually how it works? Yes, sir. You good? Okay. So, there's 8 sentences. First people in the line, Marlene and Zachary. Y'all will do the first one. You're going to correct the run-on sentence. Y'all have pencils with you?
No.
No? Okay. Hang
But
on.
we can pass out the pencils back when we are done. Can't we?